Hi there. Today we're diving into a super exciting topic: how to save money on a wedding. Yay, let's get started. First things first, set a budget. Seriously, it's like the number one rule. Knowing how much you can spend will help you make smarter decisions throughout the planning process. Next, choose the right venue. You don't have to go for the most expensive place to have a beautiful wedding. Look for venues that offer package deals, or consider having your wedding on a weekday to save some bucks. And finally, limit the guest list. I know it's tough, but having a smaller guest list can significantly cut down on costs like catering and venue size. Plus, it makes for a more intimate celebration. Now, let's talk about DIY decorations. Creating your own wedding decor can be a fun and cost-effective way to personalize your special day. You can get creative with simple materials like paper, fabric, and even items you already have at home. Not only does this add a unique touch, but it also allows you to save a significant amount of money. Plus, involving friends and family in the process can make it even more memorable. Another great tip is to opt for a weekday wedding. Many venues and vendors offer discounts for events held on weekdays, which can considerably reduce your overall expenses. Plus, it can be easier to secure your dream location and preferred vendors since weekends are usually in high demand. While it might require a bit more planning for your guests, the savings and availability can make it well worth considering. When it comes to wedding attire, borrowing or renting can be a fantastic way to save money. Instead of purchasing a dress or suit that you might only wear once, consider borrowing from a friend or renting from a boutique. This can significantly reduce costs and still allow you to look absolutely stunning on your big day. Plus, it's a more sustainable option, which is always a bonus. Simplifying your wedding menu is another effective way to cut costs. Instead of going for a multi-course meal with lots of fancy options, opt for a simpler menu that still satisfies your guests. You can focus on a few delicious dishes that are crowd pleasers. This not only saves money, but also reduces food waste. Remember, it's the quality, not the quantity, that counts. In today's digital age, using digital invitations can be a smart and economical choice. They're not only budget-friendly, but also eco-friendly. You can design beautiful e-invites that reflect the theme of your wedding and send them out with just a click. Plus, it's easier to track responses and communicate with your guests. It's a win-win situation. So there you have it. By borrowing or renting attire, simplifying the menu, and using digital invitations, you can save a significant amount of money on your wedding without compromising on style or quality. These tips are practical, easy to implement, and can make a big difference in your wedding budget. Remember, it's your special day, and it should be memorable for all the right reasons. Happy planning.